First I will make a stripe over here, then duplicate it, then duplicate it 5 more times by pressing Ctrl D. Then select the free transform tool and transform it. Then save it as a symbol. Now we can delete it. Create a circle in the middle and remove this side using the direct selection tool. Now go to Effect, 3D and Revolve. Set the angle as you like and click on Map Art. Select the symbol we just created and click on Scale to Fit and Invisible Geometry. Then hit OK. Now go to Object and Expand Appearance. Now I will simply apply a gradient on it. And your globe spiral is ready. I hope you guys like this. Don't forget to like and share.